Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to add story highlights on Facebook. Story highlights are a fantastic way to showcase your favorite moments and keep them visible on your profile even after the 24-hour story period ends. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in, navigate to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top or bottom right corner of your screen, depending on your device. From the menu, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. On your profile page, tap on the three dots next to your profile picture. This will open the profile settings. From the settings menu, select Archive. Then tap on Story Archive at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook Story archive, where you can view all the stories you've posted. Find the story you want to add to a highlight. Tap on it to open. Look for the highlight icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen or at the top. Tap on this icon to start creating your highlight. On the next screen, you'll need to name your highlight. For example, I'm going to name mine Sunset. Type in your desired name for the highlight. If you want to add more photos or videos to this highlight, tap on Add More. This will reopen your archive where you can select additional stories to include. You can also choose to add photos or videos from your camera roll by granting access to your photo gallery. You can also change the cover photo for your highlight by tapping on the cover photo option. For now, I'm going to keep the current photo. Once you're done adding stories and customizing your highlight, tap Done at the top right corner. You've successfully created and added a story highlight on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.